Okay, so helmet cam is back. I managed to get some charge into it. I'm not sure whether it'll do the whole lot, but I'm currently stopped for a drink in Germany. So fairly uneventful, nice easy riding. Obviously set off from Zell Am Zee in the mountains, all those lovely roads there, nice and quiet as well. So I could make decent progress. Crossed into Germany. It's flattened out a lot now. Again, not too busy, just making decent progress. So I think that's just what it's going to be like now, till we go up into Czech. Oh, nice 911. Loads of 911s around again. Some Austria is really nice as well. I sort of didn't realise how nice everything is kept immaculately, so that's good to see. Like I say, just how long have I got left now? Is it just under 3 hours until I'm where I'm going? So yeah, I'll pick up again in a bit. Strange little spot here. If you look to the left, it's all sort of farmland, and then to the right it's like a long industrial estate with lots of car dealers and all sorts. Seems a bit random. You've got cornfields there and then stuff on this side. Cool old 5 series. In fact, was it an M5? And this looks like the nice side of town, especially up on the hills there. There's some lovely houses. Oh, old Mercs. Nice. Okay, it's another little 5-minute break for some water and stretch. Back on it now. So still in Germany. 2 hours to go.